Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Renault Captur Dynamique Nav. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 55 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 9, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a 2-owner vehicle, having covered just over 47,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic Oyster grey, and it's in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior, the slightly raised driving position as well, which lots of people like. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then the car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control on either side of the steering wheel multifunction buttons. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and full window controls. For a small SUV, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. Ideal if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Renault as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its highest point at the moment, so you can hide bits and pieces underneath, but you can remove that completely if you wish. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.